The first chord is D minor. The most important thing when we make our D minor is we're going to use our little finger here and we're going to go up and down. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so awesome. Okay, D minor. The next chord is a D minor with an F bass, or you could call it an F6, depending on your mood. With our picking hand, we're always going to go down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Okay, so this chord is an E7 with a flat 9. So what we're going to do here is we're playing this F6 thing. We're going to lift that up, put our second finger here on E. Our first finger is going to go flat. And then we're going to play, so 1, 2, 3, up. Then we're going to play some bass notes. We're going to play a C, we're going to play a B, and then we're going to play a B flat 7, and we're going to play the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and then 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So far we've got D minor, F bass, E7 with a flat 9, B7, B flat 7. And then we're going to play an A augmented 7, which basically looks like an A minor in the wrong place. Give it a wobble. Sounds good. Alright, that is that section. Now, later in the song, that loops around. When it loops around on the A augmented 7, just pull it back. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then start again. Okay, then you're going to switch, this is a very important part, to the neck pickup. And you're going to play. So you basically follow what he sings, okay? And it changes a little bit verse to verse, but you'll get the idea here. We've got 7. We're in A minor pentatonic here. In fact, if you play... So that lick, we're just going to follow the melody. And if you learn this 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, you'll be able to hear the melody. And you'll just follow it. So you're going to play A, C, D to E. And then A, C, D, E. So that's 7, 5, 7, up and down. Hang on, I just need to move the guitar with some. The little guitar is vibrating on the wall because the sound is so awesome. I'm just going to carry on doing it. Let's just keep going. So, and then we're going to do 7, 5 pull off. So, I want you so bad. Third part, I want, and this we're going to do big bends. We're just going to go. Okay, I want you. Now, the fourth one is I want you so bad. And it's minor, and then it changes to major. So minor 7, and then a regular 7. Then it plays almost exactly the same notes, but just in D minor pentatonic, and here at the 12th, 10th and 12th frets. that's the big difference. Oops. Instead of do 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 do, instead of doing that, it goes 10, 11, 12. So that's the last lick, and then 10, 11, 12 on the A string, and then we're going to play a big E, and then we're going to play this E7 with a flat 9 in a different place. We've got 7, 6, 7, 6. And then Paul kind of, and then the rest of the band go, and with some bass part. I'm not entirely sure how the bass parts go because we're playing guitar, but something like that. And then it loops around, and then you have to switch the guitar to the back pickup. Sorry, the whatever. And then you play again. Oh, what a tune, man. And that's pretty much it. Oh, there's one little tiny thing extra in the verses. Let's go back to the front pickup. We can do a double stop bend, so we're going to go. That's how good is that? Same thing here at 10. Sorry, 12. 12 fret. Yeah, just what a song. Anyway, thank you very much. Go immediately and learn this song. You can't play the guitar until you can play this song. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Subscribe for more similar tutorial videos and a whole bunch of other stuff, and I'll see you then. Thank you. Bye.